I would like to show you Sessionfire, the next generation presentation tool. With Sessionfire, you can use your existing presentations and present them in a much more compelling way. Let me walk you through the basic steps how you would do it. First, open your presentation in your existing tool, whether it's Keynote or PowerPoint. Then, export your presentation as images. Hit File, Export, select Images, and then create a new folder and export all the images to that folder. Next, open Sessionfire. Sessionfire runs on a Mac and on PC. Afterwards, you can just choose the presentation you've just created, just hit the folder you've just created. And that's basically it. Off you can go and work with Sessionfire. So with Sessionfire you have many settings so that you can present your presentation really cool. So let me walk you through the basic menu here. So on the left side you have the central control where you have all the buttons, all the settings you can choose. On the right hand side you have a preview, but you can always hit F to see the screen in full screen and start the presentation, and escape to get back up. So choose presentation we've already seen. You can choose a presentation, all the settings down here. You can save by just hitting save presentation, and you can start the presentation here. Sessionfire right now has different kind of animations you can choose right now, or different kind of layouts. Right now we have a line layout, a tiling layout, and a circle layout. I'm going to show you that later. We have different kind of animations here, so it's a zoom in, zoom out, or just a simple move to. You can change the background color here. You can change the text down at the very bottom here. And probably the most cool part is you can change the angle of all the slides. So you can change the X, the Y, and the Z axis. This slider here changes the space between all the slides. You can turn off the reflection, and this is the zoom of the slides, each slide, how far it should zoom in. You can see all the settings here if you hit the question marks, and everything is explained. Down here we have a timer that automatically progresses the presentation to the next slide after 1 second, or any time that you want to choose. So let me show you a couple of examples. For example, if you want to have a timeline, just try to figure out the different controls here, and you have a very nice timeline here. Or a different kind of timeline. Or if you like the circle layout or the overview, you just want to progress to one slide at a time and come back. Or you like the circle layout. Or how about a very simple one? As you see, there are many ways to work with Sessionfire, and I hope you get a basic idea. Go ahead to sessionfire.com, download it. Right now we're in the public beta, so it's free. Give it a try, and we're happy to hear about your feedback.